Alright, Pinchy and my brother the Badness, time to feast yourself.
Just a little sweeter, I think. Now that's better.
Cinders and ashes of Diesel! Oh, Diesel! Oh no!
Hello, Twinkle Toes. I got a plan and you're not in it.
You gonna catch me, Diesel?
Losing your sparkle, eh? What perfect timing. Where's the lost engine, you maniac?
You won't find her here.
You're not gonna stop me.
Oh yes, I am.
No, you're not. Oh, is that...
That's right. It's Sugar Diesel. I'm gonna steal these engines and save you off for good.
Leave them most of the night, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow. None of that, none of Tinkatos.
Mr. Conductor, what happened to your sparkle? I don't know, Thomas. I'm gonna sleep on that. On your sparkle? No, Thomas. A problem. What happened to it? Oh, but Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle, with all the engine, the trouble, can't help us anymore. I'll solve the problem. You're just going to go to sleep now. It's easy for you to say.
Mr. C. Mr. C. Why aren't you here? Why couldn't you travel anymore to the island of Sodor? Or back home here to us in Shining Time? The magic is all gone.
What's going wrong with our railroad and why? My universe is in danger. I've got to find more gold dust.